Okay, hello guys. Today's the 161 day of me doing Codeforces every day until I reach expert. And maybe some of you guys have noticed I just got to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And maybe for a lot of you guys, it's not that significant, but personally, I feel super grateful for achieving this little milestone. And to be honest, it really means a lot to me because since I started this channel, I really got motivated a lot because I know that a lot of you guys are looking forward and hoping that I get to my goal, which is expert in Codeforces, right? And to be honest, for about half a year being consistent in Codeforces, my brain got totally numb. Like, do you call it? It's like mentally retarded. I remember that, uh, yeah, that word from somewhere, but I feel like I'm super retarded after coding a lot. But due to the encouragement in the comments, and you guys are motivating me, and it really drives me to continue this journey a lot. And to be honest, at first I considered to make a separate video to thank you guys, but after considering, I thought that that deal really doesn't align with my usual content, right? Because I just usually make coding videos like competitive programming, solving code forces, right? And when I make a separate video just about gaining this amount of subscribers or this amount of views, it creates a vibe of content creators like Jake Paul or KSI, right? Like people who make hilarious videos or content creators, right? But I don't really make a cent or a dollar from YouTube, or at least until now, right? Because my initial plan for this channel is to motivate people and motivate myself to continue to reach my goal, and simultaneously, when more experienced CP coders, maybe specialists, maybe experts, candidate master or masters see my videos and channel, you guys can give me a lot of advice where I'm lacking and what I should change in my programming or something like that, right? So yeah, I think that really was helpful throughout my journey and throughout this channel. And what can I say? That's a lot of talking for a regular video or for a common video in my channel. So in order to save your guys time, I will make a conclusion, right? I just want to say thank you straight from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for helping me achieving this milestone. And my girlfriend, I don't know how she did it, but when I got 1,000 subscribers, she somehow caught it on camera. I don't know why, but yeah, I just want to share you guys this video. So yeah, thanks you guys a lot for helping me to reach this milestone. And yeah, thanks very much. So that's about 4 minutes of continuous yapping, a lot of talking, right? So let's move on to our main mission, which is solving competitive programming problems, right? I'm a bit confused. I'm not sure what I should do today. Maybe a 1400, maybe a 1500 problem would be fine, but let's do a 1400 problem. I will try to solve 1400 problems until I reach specialist, right? Uh, okay, let me see again my visualizer, code visualizer, to see where I'm at and what kind of problems I need to focus on. Let's see. I think this website is pretty helpful, right? It's pretty meaningful. It helps me to see my total submission, how many wrong answers, how many accepted or time limit exceeded, right? And the tags in my problems, and also the levels and problem ratings of my account. So as you guys can see, I did a lot of, I spread it on a lot, spread it even a lot from 900 to 1600. There's a pretty huge peak at 800, but that's not because I'm spamming 800 problems. It's just because when you do typical division 2 or division 3 contests, right? Usually problem A and B are 800 problems, so it really higher my total 800 problems solving problems, right? So let's see where we are lacking. There's a small peak at 1400, so maybe we should do yeah, I think that I should spam 1500 problems more in order to make my way to specialist. There's a downside for solving harder problems. It might help you to be better, but a lot of times you can't really solve the problem and it really demotivates you. So I will try to pick the easiest problem in the higher difficulties, right? So for example, let's take a random one, right? Let's take a random one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I should do. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What should we do? Maybe this one, right? Even number addicts. There are 11,000 people solving it, so not too hard, not too difficult, and it's a 1500 problem, right? So it will help me to maybe learn something, right? Let me read the problem. Alice and Bob are playing a game on a sequence of length n. They move in turns and Alice moves first. In the turn of each player, he or she should select an integer and remove it from the sequence. Okay? The game ends when there's no integer left in the sequence. What do you mean? Okay? So who goes first? Oh, Alice goes first, and Alice wins if the sum of her selected integers are even, and if it's odd, Bob wins. All right, so pretty spot on. Pretty short problem. Okay, I like short problems. There aren't too much reading, and it goes straight to the point, right? So that's much more straightforward. Okay, so what's the catch? This can't be a 1500 problem if it's not easy, right? When there's no integer left. Okay, he or she should select, and if the sum of her selected integers is even. Okay. At first glance, I don't think it's too difficult, but there must be a small catch or yeah, a special test case in this problem, right? Because ain't no way this could be true. Oh my gosh. Using long. Okay, and erase all of this. No need to use it. Okay. Let me read the input real quick, and then we can try to brainstorm about this problem. Okay, so there's Alice and Bob, right? I think that we should sort this array. Is it sorted? I don't think it's sorted, right? I don't think it's sorted, so let's sort the array. Oh no, actually not. The sum of her selected the sum, right? So maybe we should calculate the number of even and odd numbers. Odd numbers, right? So if an element is odd, then odd will be plus plus, or else even will be plus plus, right? Pretty easy to comprehend. And maybe I should create an integer to calculate the total of. It should be long, right? Oh no, there's only 100. So long is still good. Yeah, let's use long. long to calculate the sum of Alice's numbers. Okay, so what can we do in order to make this to make Alice win? Otherwise, Bob wins. Okay. Okay. So what should we do here? How could Alice play optimally, and how could Bob play optimally? Okay, so let me open the whiteboard real quick so that maybe we can find a pattern and solve this problem. Okay, I hope that there's a pattern here. Maybe calculate the number of odd numbers and even numbers, and then we can maybe maybe we can find a solution for this. Okay, so the odd numbers are 3, right? Even numbers are 0, and Alice wins. Okay, how about this one? 4-0. Alice still wins. Alice, okay, now I understand why. Oh, the problem is we need to calculate the odd numbers. Even numbers means nothing, right? Oh, wait a minute. Even numbers actually means a lot. Even numbers actually means a lot. Uh, Let me think about this one real quick. Okay, how about this one? 2 odds, 2 evens, right? 2 odds and 2 evens. It's Bob wins. How? Why? Oh, okay, so okay. How about this one? Alice wins. 4 evens from, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. I don't think this is yeah. Maybe we should divide it by 2 because yeah. Alice and Bob will pick it right after each other, so maybe we should divide it by 2, right? What now? Mm-hmm. After that, what? That's not correct because this will be 0-0. That would make no sense, right? That would make no sense. How can how can Bob win this? How can Bob win this? How can Bob win this? Maybe let me think real quick about this. This seems like a pretty easy problem, but it's a 1500 problem set, right? It can't be that easy, right? So let's see. So what's the most optimal way for Bob to win and for Alice to win? Maybe 5 even and 6 odds. What now? 5 even, right? I'm not sure, right? I'm not sure right now. But Alice goes first. That's the problem. Alice goes first. Alice goes first. She could pick one. She could pick even, and then Pop picks odd. Odd. Maybe Bob wants to keep the. Let me think about it. 2-1, right? 2-1 is 2-1 is adequate, right? 1-0, 3-2, 5-4. Yeah. This is 5. This is 9. Yeah. Bob wants to keep the numbers of odd like this, right? Bob want to keep it like this. So plus 4, 13, right? The number of odd numbers must be this kind of numbers. 2, 2. Okay, so 1, right? There are three numbers. There are three numbers. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, what could possibly go wrong here? Down, down, boom, boom. Yeah, no idea. Let me think about this one. Two, choose out of here. Choose out, right? Choose out, right? Choose out. Choose out. How about 3, 3 now? Now what? That's not. That's not good. How about 6? And Alice goes first. Yeah, that's not adequate, right? We don't want this to be even. Oh, we don't want this to be. For example, we don't want it to be 2. We don't want it to be. We don't want it to be 6. We don't want it to be 10, right? Because when divided by two people, it will be 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, right? Correct. We want to avoid that number. Okay. 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 Yeah, I think that this odd should be divided by 4. Okay, so 2, 6, 10. How about 1 and 6? What now? What's the most optimal way to pick it? Yeah, you're dead. There's no going back from now on, right? How about 1, 5? What now? Pick this. This this will be 3, right? This will be 2. This will be adequate, right? How about 1, 6? 2. Still 3, 3. Still not good. Uh, there's two possibility if they are still even, and if they aren't even anymore. If even is 0, okay, it's Bob. Yeah, it's Bob. Okay, should be 1, right? Okay, should be 1. Okay, what now? If there's still 1 here, what now? How about this? How about 1, 7? What now? It could be 3, 4, right? Yeah, you better not pick it. Yeah, you better not pick it. This is hard, man. This is hard. Hmm. You're dead. Yeah, you're dead now. Ah, shit. This is kind of hard, man. One. 1 2. I want to compare all of it. 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, and 1 3. What happens in each of these test case? Right? Mm. Alice will win. How about this one? Alice will win, right? Alice will win. Alice will win. How about this one? Alice lose. Bob wins. How about this one? Uh, Alice 2, Bob 1. Alice 2. Alice 1. Bob 1. Yeah, Bob. Oh, wait a minute. What if Alice 1, Bob 1, Alice 1, Bob 2? Yeah, Alice wins. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is correct. I hope I'm correct. It doesn't seem correct. It doesn't seem correct at all, right? It seems odd as fuck, man. This can't be correct, man. This can't be correct. Oh, forgot to read the input. What is this? Oh, odd plus plus. Shit, this shit seems wrong as fuck. This shit seems wrong as fuck. Come on, it can't be true. It can't be this easy, right? It can't be this easy. It can't be this easy. I'm pretty sure. Oh my gosh. There's currently a pretty huge storm or typhoon in Vietnam, so maybe that's the reason why my Wi-Fi is a bit not that strong. Maybe some of you guys can relate. Maybe some you guys are, if you guys are from maybe India, southern China, Laos, or Cambodia, maybe you guys notice, or Philippines or Indonesia, there's a pretty huge storm going straight to southern China and Southeast Asia, and it's a huge storm, so maybe that's the reason why my Wi-Fi connection is not that good. Come on, let me see my answer. Shit, that's wrong as fuck. That's wrong. That's not a good. Shit. I knew it. But why? What could? Of course it's wrong, but how can we fix it? Hmm. Why is this wrong? How is this even wrong? For example, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and 0, 4. What now? Alice lose, Bob wins, right? Oh, in this case, Bob wins. So, yeah, in this case, Bob wins. I think that I should. Nah, this can't be true, right? This can't be true. If there's still an even, and else what? If there isn't an even. If odd, then okay, 0. What now? Bob wins this. Bob still wins. Alice wins. Alice wins. Okay, so I'm not sure, man. This can't be true. I'm not sure. This can't be true. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. It sounds wrong as fuck. It can't be true. Come on. Let's try to submit again. Maybe we get it correct. Maybe not. But can't know if we aren't trying, right? So, what's accepted? Come on, you must be kidding me. Because ain't no way a 1500 problem is that easy. Come, shit. How is it that easy? It's a 1500 problem. I solve it in like 20 minutes. It can't be that easy, right? It's too obvious. This should be a 1000 difficulty. Let's see their tutorial. How can this be even in a division 2C problem? 1500 difficulty. I think you guys misunderstand the difficulty of this problem because ain't no dynamic programming. This one, what? In one if statement, yeah, he's correct. Yeah, you can use it in one if. How can a problem how can a problem C be this this easy? What? Yeah, it's super straightforward. It's super easy, right? Yeah, look at this. I believe that it's the same. Wait a minute. A B X. Oh yeah, it's the same, right? This is checking even and odd, right? B is divided. Oh, no, 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 no. No, wait a minute. It's not really the same. Oh, it's the same. It's literally the same. Yeah, shit. I don't understand why, but come on, come on. Writers problem contest writers should be just take more effort into writing these problems because how can a 1500 problem, a C division 2 C problem be this easy? It should be rated about 1000 or maybe 900 difficulty, right? Obviously not 1500. That's just blasphemy. It's blasphemy for sure. Maybe blasphemy is too harsh, but come on, you guys understand what I mean. Okay, maybe we should move to CSES a bit. Okay, and as I said before, due to the typhoon, the huge typhoon in Vietnam, uh, my university ICPC will be delayed until next week. So yeah, I have one more week to prepare for ICPC. Look at this one. Let me yeah. There's a lot of fucking problems here. Look at this one. A lot of problems. And the difficulty is super high. Come on. It's like LeetCode. Yesterday someone told me that Codeforces is like LeetCode on steroids, and I agree. It's too much greedy. It's too much greedy in implementation. There's not much algorithm, and that really makes me not so qualified for ICBC, right? Because ICBC is a lot of algorithm and code forces are just basic math and logical thinking. So yeah, it doesn't really make me good at ICBC, and that's really a shame because my initial reason why I do code forces is to prepare for ICBC, but yeah, whatever. Let's see what we should do here. There's a lot of problem here. DP, DP. Should I do DP? Do you know what? Maybe I should. This morning when I was at class, in class, I did about two problems in CSES. This palindrome reorder and a graph problem, both building teams. This one is pretty easy, just basic BFS, right? So nothing really special. But okay, come on, let's do some LeetCode. I should try some LeetCode. Yeah, let's try some LeetCode. Let's try some LeetCode. Let's try some LeetCode. Ah, shit, it's lag as fuck. Come on. Okay. I haven't solved a LeetCode problem in a while, so let's try to do it. Uh, what is Oracle? Is that the company name? Oracle. Oracle. What is such? What is such shit? Cloud application and cloud. Uh, okay. That seems like a huge company. Okay, let's do a medium one, right? Maybe a simple medium problem. This one seems promising. 30 minutes on and come on, why so loud? Come on, come on, come on. 1500. Yeah, this one is pretty easy, right? This 200 max. This is easy as fuck. So I got it accepted. This one is easy. That problem D division 2. It's yeah pretty easy to be honest. Triple operations. What is this? A 1300 problem. That's easy, right? That's super easy. A division 4. Oh, this one is just a virtual contest. I did it in a virtual contest, so it says not. It means nothing really. Uh-huh. Okay, let's read this problem. Given an array numbers with n objects called reds, white, or blue, sort them in place so that what is what do you mean? No idea. Sort them in place so that objects of the same colors are adjacent. Oh, okay, that's easy. Without using the library sort function. Okay. Just use a map, right? Just use a map. Yeah, just use a map. Duh. What do you, what did you expect me to do? We don't need to sort it, right? Just use map, regular map, right? E plus plus map of nums y plus plus and yeah, for int 0 to map of, wait a second, do you know what, let's just use a while loop, right? Map of 0. Oh, let's create a vector first. You can't just print it in LeetCode, right? So yeah, let's use a vector. V dot push back 0, map of 0 minus minus, and 3 while loops like that. It can't be that difficult, right? This is just a tricky solution. It's not, I don't think that the author initialized us to do this, but I believe that we can still got accepted with this code. Oh, yeah, it's correct. Wait a minute, why? Return should not return a. Huh? What do you mean? Should not return a value? Should not return a value with. This is. I haven't done LeetCode much, so maybe there's a lot of. Wait a minute. What do you mean? Whatever. How about this one? Size. Okay, shit. Int count is 0, right? Yeah. Array count is equal to 0. CNT++. The same things goes to 3 of this one. 0, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 2. This should be 2, right? 2, 2. Oh, shit. Okay, so this must be correct. Let's see. Huh? What do you mean not accepted? I haven't done a lot of LeetCode, so I don't really know how to submit the answer. What do you mean? What's wrong here? That's strange. I don't know what's wrong, to be honest. From a void function, which is not allowed. Oh, what do you mean? Oh, shit. So I can't return a new. Okay, that's bullshit. That's some next level bullshit. Okay. Gnomes plus plus. Okay. This should solve the problem, right? Oh, you don't. Okay, you don't want me to return this. What's this error? Why is it loading so much? Okay, what? Beats 43. That's strange. Let's see their typical code. Wiggle sort. What are they using here? Oh, they're sorting, right? Yeah, I just use this. This is better approach, much better approach. This is even worse, right? Yeah, whatever. Maybe because it's one of the first problem in LeetCode, so it's easy. Let's try more advanced problems. Let's try more advanced problems. A medium problem. Another medium problem. Maybe this one. This one seems promising. Given two integers n and k, return all possible combinations of k numbers chosen from the range 1 to n. N is 4 and k is 2. What? Okay. Return all possible combinations of k numbers chosen from the range. Oh, this is just basic math, right? It's just basic math, right? Yeah, it's just basic math. There's I think that there's a formula for this. I can just search it up, but I want to think by my own. So choose 2 from 4. So choose 2 from 4. It's like C24, right? It's C, right? Yeah, it's C24. What is the answer here? Oh, you must output it. Shit. Oh, you must in any order. Oh, you must output it. Okay, this is just a basic, maybe basic. Yeah, it's super easy. This one is easy as fuck. This one is just easy. It's super easy. Return a pair, vector of pairs, right? A vector of pairs. Okay, for int e from. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's tricky. That's tricky. Okay, okay. K is. Okay, okay. Let me think about this. It's not that easy as I expected it to be, but we must we must think a little bit about this. There are all possible combinations of k numbers chosen from the range 1 and strange. I just learned about this morning. We were learning about what's that called in English? What's that subject called in English? It's called a discrete mathematics. It's not it's not difficult, to be honest. It's just basic high school problem. So let me see uh, okay, okay, so wow, that shit is a okay. Okay, so let me think about this one. Choose to this is dumb as fuck. Let me think about this one. Let me think about this one. Should we use backtrack? I don't think that we need to, but should we use backtrack? Should we use backtrack? Oh, wow, this one is strange. This one is tricky. Backtrack? Backtrack wouldn't help, to be honest. Backtrack wouldn't help this. 1 2 1 3 1 4. Okay. All right. 6 2. For example, 6 2. What? 1 2 2 1 6, right? 3 or 3 6 3. 5 1 2 6. Yeah, I think I found out the solution for this. Let me comprehend it a little bit. Let me try to think about it a little bit. Yeah. Okay. A vector pair here. Oh, what? What is this? Copy, paste, tab. Okay. So you are given n and k. Let's use a void here. Yeah. Yeah. Check and k and index. Yeah, that should do the work. That should do the work. Okay. And maybe return vector here. Void int end int k and int index, right? Index should be 0 at first. No, it should be 1 here. Let me think about this one. Fuck. NK1. Okay. Take it or leave it, right? Count. From index plus 1 is smaller than equal to n, e plus plus. If index is equal to n, then no return v dot pushback. Oh. Wait a minute, that's not great. Yeah, v dot pushback. Tempo graag hier. This is a vector of vectors, not pair. It's a vector of vectors, right? Tempo graag here, okay? Yeah. And return. What's this called? NK index plus 1 and CNT plus plus. Actually, int is equal to e. 2, right? Dot pushback e. Table dot popback. Yeah, this should work, right? Will it work? Will this work? Let's find out. Oh, it's not enough. Ooh, wait a second. NK, E, and CNT plus plus. Okay, so what's wrong with our code? 2434. Why doesn't it draw? Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, for init e is 0 to n, e plus plus, check e, n, k, e, and 1. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's use this as a set. This should be a set, right? Set dot insert. Shit, nah. Yeah. Nah. Wait a minute, yeah. It should still be a vector, yeah. But this one, our answer should be a set. This should be a set. Insert temporary, yeah. Set of vectors. This should work. This should work. No. Return set, not return v. Return set. Return set. Huh? Oh, it's return a set. We are a vector of vectors. Or let's create a vector here. A vector of vectors. Answer for auto it offset. Ans dot pushback it and return answer. Right? It's a bit. Huh? Oh, st. This should be st, right? Not set. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! This is not good at all. No idea why, but let's check our codes. Let's check our code. If is k, right? It should be k. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. My bad, my bad, my bad. Yeah. My bad, my bad, my bad. My bad, my bad, my bad. If count is equal to n. Yeah, it's this should better be it. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh shit, k, right? If index is return, this should be return. Yeah. Let's see. Huh? Let me check it real quick. Let me check it real quick. What? Holy shit. Okay, that's embarrassing. If index, okay, let's check this. Let's check this. NK. If index is n, return correct. If count is 2. Oh, shit. My bad. My bad. Dot pushback here. Yeah, this should do it. Shit. One, right? One. Let's check this. Tempography is 1. Right, 1. Boom. Plus. Pushback 1. Pushback 2, right? Index count is equal. Shit. 1, 2, 1, 3. Why not 1, 4? Why not 1, 4? Why isn't there a 1, 4 here? If e is equal to n, this is getting me nerves. Oh, shoot. It should be down here. No idea why. 2, 3 here. Oh, okay, now I understand why. Simpy dot pop back here. I know that my solution is not the most optimal way. It's a bit complicated, but yeah, this is shit, man. This is shit. This solution is shit. It's completely dog shit. Hello con. Sắp xong rồi.
Okay.
Okay, it's not that good. Let me read the answer real quick. 10% people uses this. Let me read it real quick. Okay, array, path, pushback, return. Yeah, it's basically the same. But yeah, it's their code isn't more than mine much. About 20-30 milliseconds. So I would just consider myself still good, right? Yeah. Okay, so congratulations, Ving. You have just do 2 medium LeetCode problems. I'm not proud of myself. LeetCode is dumb as fuck. Okay, sorry for LeetCode users, but it just it doesn't make me cry when I do LeetCode. Because come on, look at Codeforces problem. There are some problems that made me sit there for three fucking hours and cry and be fucking exhausted. But for LeetCode, I feel like it's it's not that difficult, right? So maybe next time I will try more advanced problems in LeetCode. But by now, I don't really think it's that difficult. Okay, let me try to do something entertaining. What could I do? Do you know what? I will introduce you guys to my university coding platform. It's for C++, CPP. We are currently learning CPP right now, but I've been learning it since the first semester, and it's now the third semester, right? So it it really can't make me find it hard. So I will try to do several problems so that you guys can imagine what's the difficulties in Vietnam here. Given 2 points A, B, and then OXY, yeah. Find the two distance of that. Oh, this is easy. How about this one? Find the distance. Ooh, find the distance. Find the distance. X is 0. X is fun. Fun. Okay. Okay, so read the input. X1, E1, X2, E2. Read X1, E1, X2, E2. What now? Int X distance, right? ABS of X1 minus X2. Yeah. Int E distance. ABS E1 minus E2. And do you guys know what? Let's use double. All of this is double. All of this should be double. Fixed, and then we can use fixed division, fixed precision, right? Yeah, fixed precision. Double and this x this dot x this plus e this multiply by e this count. How do you even use fixed division, set precision? Let me think about it. SQRT of answer, fix, right, and set precision 4. Is this correct? Set. Uh, I hope that I'm correct. Oh, yeah, I hope that I'm correct. 2225. Ooh, it's not correct. Fuck, 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 fuck. Oh, it's correct. Yeah. Oh shit. Uh, how can you how can you print the answer if it's yeah, five? You should dot 000. I have no idea. When you have a full number, how to print it with yeah. Why can't I let's just use that chat GBT because it makes literally no sense to me right now. JavaScript, C++. Eomanip, huh? Statistic double. Ooh, this is a new one. Statistic set precision. Yeah, I fix it. Let's try another way. Is this also correct? That is also correct. So, ooh, okay. So, yeah, I put it in the wrong order. So that's the reason why we got it not as expected, right? Still an easy problem, not, yeah, super easy. So I think that's enough CP for today. I should learn other thing too. Mathematics, discrete mathematics, maybe some German, something fresh, gaming Unity and so on. So thanks you guys for watching my channel and see you guys later. Bye bye.